Stock market this week. Brought to you by Finance Weekly. Sensex declined 0.2%, NIFTY 50 fell 0.4%. But Bank NIFTY surged 1.8% this week. Correction of more than 4% happened in all three indices last week. Sensex and NIFTY 50 have fallen 5.1% each in last 3 weeks, while Bank NIFTY has eroded 3.2%. NIFTY Midcap 100 fell 1% and NIFTY Smallcap 250 consolidated, moving up 0.1% this week. Impact of corrections has been smaller. On broader market, NIFTY Midcap 100 has fallen 2.9% and NIFTY Smallcap 250 has decreased 0.9% in last 3 weeks. Volatility index fell 1.4% this week, but it has increased 9% in last 3 weeks. This was primarily due to the surge of 18.1% caused by market corrections last week. It was a green week for U.S. market. Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P 500 made gains. India and China markets, however, had a mixed week impacted by stimulus-related announcements made by the latter. Japan's stock market had a red week. Both Nikkei 225 and Topix made losses. Israel assured U.S. that retaliation to Iran's attack will be restricted to the latter's defense forces. This has allayed fears of attack on oil infrastructure of Iran, bringing down the spiked oil prices. People's Bank of China's governor stated that they have plans to lower reserve requirement ratio by 0.25 to 0.5% depending on liquidity situation. This has further improved outlook on China as an investment option. Outflow of foreign institutional capital from Indian equity market has, as a result, continued. India's inflation data for September packed a punch. CPI inflation for September was 5.49%, compared to 3.65% in August. RBI's inflation estimate for FY25 in its latest Monetary Policy Committee meeting was 4.5%. This can delay the possibility of interest rate cut in RBI's next MPC meeting in December. Meanwhile, European Central Bank has cut deposit rate by 25 basis points to 3.25%. This was the third rate cut by ECB this year, continuing on path of monetary policy easing to stimulate growth, as inflation is close to its target of 2%. RBI instructed Manappuram Finance's subsidiary Aservad Microfinance to stop sanctioning and dispersal of loans due to non-compliance. Market reacted negatively to this development and company's stock price fell 17.6% this week. Google became the first tech company to commission new nuclear power plants to provide low-carbon electricity for its data centers. Use of clean energy to run data centers is a positive step, as they demand high energy and the number of data centers is increasing very fast. Hyundai Motor India IPO subscription window closed on October 17th. IPO received great response from qualified institutional buyers, non-institutional buyers and company employees, but retail investor participation was subdued. Pranik Logistics listed on National Stock Exchange at a premium of 2.6% over its IPO price band ceiling price of 77 rupees. The SME IPO was subscribed 218 times during subscription window. Garuda Construction and Engineering listed at premium of 10.5% on National Stock Exchange and 8.6% on Bombay Stock Exchange, over its IPO price band ceiling price of 95 rupees. It was subscribed 7.5 times during subscription window. Shiv Texchem listed on Bombay Stock Exchange at premium of 44% to its IPO price band ceiling price of 166 rupees. The SME IPO was subscribed 156.5 times during subscription window. Brokerage ratings: Larsen & Toubro, DMart, HCL Tech, Bombay Stock Exchange. HDFC Bank. Market movers. Top Nifty 50 gainers. Top Bank Nifty gainers. Top Nifty Midcap 100 gainers. Top Nifty Smallcap 250 gainers. Q2 FI 2025 earnings results.